if you haven't joined the Merchant Words group yet, let me give you the link for that. Send to all. So this is the Merchant Words group. I'm in this group. Loads of other members of AOE are in this group. Some good stuff in there. I'm harassing the hell out of them for things that I think we should have Merchant Words do. All right. So here's a question from Jason Green, which is basically, Oksana, the exact same question that you asked. How accurate is the Merchant Words data? And I just added my own understanding of the answer, and apparently that's pretty spot on. So my understanding is that nobody gets Amazon's true data. Amazon does not release their true data. You cannot get that. The only people that have that is Amazon. Helium 10 doesn't get it. Jungle Scout doesn't get it. Merchant Words doesn't get it. Nobody gets it. Egro, Unicorn Smasher, Amaze Owl, nobody gets Amazon's true data. So what everybody has to do is they have to use different data points to cobble together a best guess of what's happening on Amazon. And that's exactly how you should treat it. A best guess, an educated guess. In my experience, Merchant Words gives the most accurate guesses. That's my experience based on heaps of different product launches and looking at what Merchant Words says versus what I get from my sales data in Amazon. My experience is Merchant Words does that best, but always it's a best guess. It's a best guess, and that's how it should be treated. Nobody gets the data, regardless. I've seen people saying utter shit about what their data does, and it's just bollocks. I mean, it's a technical term. It's just rubbish. It really is rubbish. Nobody gets Amazon's data. Everybody guesses. That's the truth. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.